Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn another new eye makeup with me. And if you want to see the color, kindly reverse the video and take the screenshot. The palette I am using, that is Pretty All Set UCANBE, and the brushes I am using, that is Belly. Depositing the purple eyeshadow over the outer edges of the eye, now blending it with the help of blending brush as you can see in the video. Giving more depth to the color. Using the blue color, depositing it over the crease line. Giving more depthness to the crease line, because if you want to pop out your cut, then you need to be the darker in your crease line or the outer edges. Now using the concealer from the brand Forever 52 with the help of concealing brush Pro Art, tell the client to see the terrace for guideline. Now the guideline is here. Taken the fine liner brush, draw a cut line. Now filling the gap. Taking the translucent shade to lock the concealing. The concealer is Forever 52 का concealer with shade number C0V001. Now blurring out the lines from the outer edges with the help of blending brush. Now taking the flat applicator brush and the pressed glitter eyeshadow from the palette. Using the Charmwork Beautica metallic liquid glitter, now after lashes, see the look. Now for under eye, using the Charmwork Beautica Kajal pencil in the color white, applying it to the lower lash line, as you can see. Taking the smudge brush with the same color, smudging the under eye. Now applying the mascara to the lower lashes, and the mascara from Maybelline, the Colossal. Here is the final look. Bye bye. Take care.